stop. If you've been using benzoyl peroxide for acne and still not seeing results, chances are you're using it the wrong way. What if I told you this tiny ingredient could clear your skin fast, but only if you know the secrets dermatologists don't tell you? Stay with me till the end because I'm breaking down the biggest mistakes ruining your skin, the right way to use benzoyl peroxide for maximum results, and a game-changing trick that can get you clearer skin faster. So, if you're tired of breakouts, hit that like button and let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the basics. Benzoyl peroxide, or BP, is not just another acne cream, it's a bacteria killer. Unlike other acne treatments, BP doesn't just unclog pores, it goes deep and destroys the bacteria causing breakouts. Plus, it helps exfoliate, meaning fewer clogged pores and less acne. But here's the catch. Most people use it the wrong way and end up with irritated, red and dry skin. Mistake 1. Using too much. Benzoyl peroxide is powerful. A little goes a long way. Using a thick layer won't clear acne faster, it'll just fry your skin. Mistake 2. Skipping moisturizer. BP can dry out your skin. If you don't use a good oil-free moisturizer, your skin will produce more oil, making breakouts even worse. Mistake 3. Not using SPF. BP makes your skin sensitive to the sun. No sunscreen. Say hello to redness, irritation, and even dark spots. So how do you use it the right way? Let's fix that. The right way to use benzoyl peroxide. Step 1. Start with a low strength. 2.5% or 5%. More isn't always better. Step 2. Apply a thin layer only on acne spots, not your entire face. Step 3. Wait 5 minutes before applying moisturizer to avoid irritation. Step 4. Always use SPF in the morning. Do this for 2 to 4 weeks and you'll see a huge difference in your skin. Here's a little dermatologist hack. Mix benzoyl peroxide with a hydrating serum like niacinamide. It reduces irritation and makes it even more effective. But be careful! Never mix BP with retinol. It's a recipe for disaster. So, are you using benzoyl peroxide the right way? If not, it's time to fix your routine and get the clear skin you deserve. Comment below. What's your biggest skincare struggle? I might just make a video on it next. And hey, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more skin-saving secrets.